The COVID-19 outbreak has engulfed the entire world. As the battle against the virus continues, many countries are slowly easing restrictions with strict precautionary measures to gradually restore some sense of normalcy. Let's take a look at some of the top stories from around the world to see how countries are embracing changes in the post-lockdown world. First up, there's an update from France, where France's iconic palace of Versailles reopened its doors for the first time after more than 2.5 months of closure. Hundreds of visitors flocked to the World Heritage Site as the country eased the lockdown restrictions to ensure safety. Authorities have imposed strict precautionary measures to minimize the chances of any virus transmission. Let's shift our focus to Moscow now, where hundreds of people attended the annual book fair in the city's famous Red Square on Saturday. To maintain safety, organizers have implemented several hygiene measures to curb the spread of the virus. Chairs have been spaced 1 meter apart from each other, and temperature checks at the entrance have been made mandatory for the visitors. Many publishers, however, refused to turn up this year, citing health risks. Meanwhile, Moscow's Orthodox churches have reopened for the worshippers after being closed for nearly 2 months due to the virus outbreak and the lockdown. The Russian capital is slowly easing lockdown after a considerable decline in COVID-19 cases. Russia's Orthodox Church announced the reopening earlier this week after consultations with Moscow's mayor and other city officials. UK's largest zoo in Cheshire, northwest of England, is struggling financially as lockdown continues to keep visitors away. The zoo has run out of resources for further care and nourishment of the animals due to the lockdown and the lack of economic support. Authorities of Chester Zoo stated their fear by saying the park is at risk of extinction and could end the year with a debt of around £24 million due to the coronavirus lockdown.